2025 Cadillac CT6 sedan is a luxury vehicle that promises style, performance, and reliability. But does it truly deliver? Fronts? If you're considering this high-end sedan, knowing its reliability score is key before making a decision. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether the CT6 is worth your investment. Let's dive in. What determines reliability? A car can look incredible and drive like a dream, but if it's not reliable, is it really worth it? Here are some key factors that determine reliability. Build quality. The materials and craftsmanship impact how long a vehicle lasts. Cadillac is known for premium design, but does the CT6 maintain that quality? Engine performance. A powerful engine is great, but does it stay efficient and trouble-free after years of use? Owner feedback. Reviews from actual owners give us a real-world look at reliability, but experiences can vary. Maintenance costs. Some luxury cars need frequent and expensive repairs. The CT6 has a strong reputation, but how does it compare to competitors? Here's what makes it special. Premium interior. Spacious, comfortable, and packed with high-quality materials. Whether you're in the front or back seat, the CT6 feels like a first-class experience. Next-gen technology. The latest infotainment system, digital cockpit, and advanced driver assistance features. Cadillac is pushing innovation, but is it user-friendly? Engine power and options. You can choose between a turbocharged V6 for balanced power or a V8 if you want serious performance. Both are great, but which one suits your driving style? Handling and drive quality. The CT6 is built for smooth rides with responsive handling, making long drives enjoyable. But does it feel as dynamic as its European competitors? But is it reliable? Experts rate the 2025 Cadillac CT6 highly for reliability, and it holds up well compared to its luxury sedan rivals. But here's what you should consider. It's built with durable materials, meaning fewer long-term issues. Engine options have been tested and refined, showing good performance over time. Owners report fewer breakdowns compared to other luxury brands like BMW or Mercedes. But let's be real, this is a luxury car, so when repairs do happen, they can be expensive. Cadillac's parts and maintenance costs aren't the cheapest, and if you plan to keep the car long-term, factor that into your decision. How does it compare? When looking at reliability versus competitors, the CT6 does surprisingly well. Mercedes-Benz S-Class offers more tech and refinement, but is known for higher maintenance costs. BMW 7 Series has incredible driving dynamics but can be more expensive to repair in the long run. Lexus LS, a top-tier choice for reliability, but doesn't offer the same bold styling and American luxury feel as the CT6. So, if you want a luxury car that's powerful, stylish, and relatively reliable, the Cadillac CT6 is a strong choice. But if you're after something with rock-solid reliability, Lexus might be worth considering. At the end of the day, the 2025 Cadillac CT6 offers a balance of luxury, power, and reliability. But is it the perfect fit for you? If you're looking for a high-end sedan with advanced features and a solid track record, this could be the one. Let us know in the comments, is the CT6 your next dream car, or would you go with a competitor? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert car insights.